Okay, dear student, now we will move on to level 4 advanced level. The questions are a little bit tricky but brain teaser. So ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾ? So here there is a question. What is the first question here? If 2 sin inverse of x minus 3 cos inverse of x is equal to 4, then the value of 2 sin inverse of x plus 3 cos inverse of x is equal to. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now by using the time saving result, what is the time saving result here? I am going to write a time saving result here, TSR. What is the time saving result here? When a sin inverse of x, have a look, a sin inverse of x minus b cos inverse of x is equal to some c, then the value of a sin inverse of x plus b cos inverse of x is simply given by pi ab plus c into a minus b divided by a plus b. Shortcut artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, shortcut artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When a sin inverse of x minus b cos inverse of x is equal to c, then the value of a sin inverse of x plus b cos inverse of x is easily given by pi ab plus c into a minus b divided by a plus b. Here in this problem what they are given? They are given that 2 sin inverse of x minus 3 cos inverse of x is equal to 4. Therefore here a is 2, b is 3 and this is b and this 4 is what? C. Then we need to find out the value of what? 2 sin inverse of x plus 3 cos inverse of x. That is given by, according to the rule, pi ab. Pi into 2 into 3. What is that? Pi into 2 into 3 plus c is what? 4. Into a minus b is 2 minus 3 divided by a plus b is 2 plus 3. Simplify that. That is equal to 6 pi. So 2 minus 3 is minus, that is 4 divided by 5. 6 pi minus 4 divided by 5. This is the perfect answer for this option. Is it clear? ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When a sin inverse of x plus b cos inverse of x is equal to c, then or else minus, if a sin inverse of x minus b cos inverse of x is equal to c, then a sin inverse of x plus b cos inverse of x is simply given by pi ab plus c into a minus b divided by a plus b. Is it clear? Okay, now we will move to the next question. Look at the next question. So what is that next question? This is very important makla. Next question ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ you need to be understand very neatly and very thoroughly. Okay, what is that? Level 4 question, right? So what is level 4 question? L4 question here. The next question is, if cot inverse of x whole square minus 7 cot inverse of x plus 10 greater than 0, then x lies in the interval. Okay, the first option ತುಂಬಾ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First option is cot 5 comma cot 2. Second option is, that is an open interval. Next one is minus infinity comma cot 5 union, what happens here, cot 2 comma infinity. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. The third one here, minus infinity comma cot 5. So fourth one is cot 2 comma infinity. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cot 5 cot 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. For cot function, cot function is a decreasing function, right? Cot function is a decreasing function. When the input is greater, the value of the function decreases. When input is lesser, value of the function increases. Therefore, among cot 5 and cot 2, among cot 5 and cot 2, cot 5 gives the lesser value and cot 2 gives the morer value. Therefore, this cot 5 approaches to minus infinity. This cot 2 approaches to plus infinity. It is a positive quantity, cot 2. Andre cot 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ greater, cot 5 is lesser. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, now have a look here. So now they are given a quadratic equation here. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is a quadratic equation? Cot inverse of x whole square minus 7 cot inverse of x plus 10 greater than 0, then x lies in. Andre in order to make this quadratic factor as a positive, where x exactly lies anta kelidare. Now since it is a quadratic equation, I have to take this cot inverse of x as y. Take cot inverse of x is equal to some y. Then what happens here? Y square minus 7y plus 10 should be less than 0. That means should be greater than 0 they are given. Factorize it. Y square minus 5y minus 2y plus 10 should be greater than 0. Nothing but what? Y is common here, that become y minus 5, minus 2 common here, that become what? Y minus 5, which is greater than 0. Nothing but what? Y minus 5 into y minus 2 greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But here y is nothing but what? Y is cot inverse of x. Substitution ಮಾಡೋಣ. Cot inverse of x minus y into cot inverse of what happens here? Cot inverse of x minus 2 greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ cot inverse of x is less than 5 and cot inverse of x should be greater than 2. Right? Nothing but what? X is less than cot 5 and here x is greater than cot 2. Okay, now if you draw a line here, real line, this is my plus infinity, this is minus infinity. So cot 5 is less than here cot 5. Don't look at the number cot 5. Here what? Cot 2. Now the interval become like this. Now the interval become like this. So here it is positive, here it is positive. Therefore here positive, here positive. What happens in this zone? It become what? Negative. Therefore our interval become what? Open interval minus infinity, comma what? Cot 5. Union, what happens here? Cot 2, cot 2, comma what that? Infinity. Therefore here it is our option. Is it clear? Is it clear? Thank you. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Between cot 5 and cot 2, that cot function decreases. Greater than cot 2 and less than cot 5, the function become increases. Increases nothing but positive. Therefore our interval should be open interval minus infinity comma cot 5 and open interval cot 2 comma infinity, their union. That is what an option. Is it clear? Thank you.